Stair treads are almost never square, but the BULLET Stair Tread Tool ensures cuts are the exact angle and length that you need. Cut a board 2.5 inches shorter than the width of the stairs and slide it on the stair tread tool. Unlike others, this tool works with boards up to a standard 2x4. Transferring measurements is easy with the clear, bold markings. To measure a stair tread, loosen the knobs and press each side into the corner and edges of the stair treads. Tighten the knobs, and now you have the exact length and angle at each end. Carefully align the pointed end of the tool's edges with the edge of the flooring. Mark the cut line using the tool's edges as a guide. High-quality knobs and a strengthened top crossmember provide superior clamping force for accurate measurements every time. The crossmember is spring-loaded to make it easy to attach to boards. Get accurate, tight-fitting stair treads on your next flooring installation with the Stair Tread Tool.